when I heard people telling me that it's intense that only 5 people make it to the end, I was like, I don't care if they take 5 or 20. I need one for
Yeah.
myself. If
Yeah.
I work for that one, I don't care. I don't have to care for 5 or 20. Just work for yourself. That's all. And you'll make it.
Just wanna be carefree lately.
There's this dilemma that CS and IT sectors are having more opportunities. They give more opportunities, plus they are well-paid jobs than mechanical engineering. So, and even the placement scenario is such that they get placed very sooner. The entire batches get placed, while we the opportunities are very scarce for us. So, how do you deal with such failures? Because I know for a fact that you also got placed in December, right? Around December or around
Hmm.
January.
Hmm.
So, how do you deal with that depression, that stress? Because my juniors are feeling the same right now.
Now, the answer to that is very complex. Situation, any sort of situation would be very different for each individual, right? They would be stressed
Yeah,
about different things.
yeah,
Like, again, scenario in college is supposed to be that you have these opportunities presented to yourself, and that's all we see around
hmm.
us. Like, itna mil raha hai, itna hi mil raha hai. They are getting more, we are getting less. That's but then suppose if I relate it to how me and my friends are, like my friends from CSCIT or me and my friends from mechanical who are working somewhere here or some who are preparing for any exams or something. One thing is pretty clear. All of these jobs that these people receive, which is like a lot of pay and a big company, they work a lot. They work their asses off. They are made to. There's only a few who would be sitting behind a desk not doing anything. And
Yeah,
that's one of the things that happens in mechanical also. Like mechanical, Vedanta took like I don't know how many my batch, out of which people got after their whole introduction and all everything. Um, Different people got based at different sectors, right? And some got an easy job where they just had to sit behind a desk and not do much. And some people
yeah,
had to do a little bit more. They had to do site visits, work around, and industrial sort of environment. So
hmm.
it depends on basically what your job leads to. In terms of saying that people getting opportunities more in the CSIT side and less in the mechanical side, I'm pretty sure, and I say this and I might get a lot of hate for it, is I don't know. I'll just say this about my batch. Okay, my batch. If in mechanical, everyone tried well enough to get placed, everyone would be placed. Pretty sure about it. Because at least in my year, in my batch, there were ample companies, ample opportunities. Maybe not the opportunities we wanted or anyone specifically wanted, but if it was about getting placed, if people had tried hard enough, everyone would be. There are ample companies like that. Right. But then again, I would give it to people just not wanting something specific that they
Yeah,
couldn't take.
that is
That's fine.
subjective. Yeah. Hmm.
That's very subjective. But when it comes to just like base number of opportunities, fine, CSIT are getting more. But then it also depends on what that job leads to. Right. Now
Yeah.
I'm like if I just talk about my case, my family is well off. I don't have a lot of pressures from my family, so it was fine with me that I could be chill about this. I'm not gonna say one should be chill. People will take stress because their situations are different. People will be taking a lot of stress, at least about getting placed. Because
Yeah.
after they go from college, they in college they are still nurtured from their families. They're supported by their families, and they want to progress directly into like being in a stage where they can start providing, start taking that
Hmm.
responsibility. And that's their idea. Like that's the idea that most people have. And it's like if it's if it's like very explicitly said from your family that you have to take that burden, then I understand. your family might be at a place where you have to take that responsibility. For that, if you're taking stress, you'll have to work very hard to provide. In that case, you should be taking, and if it's a very big necessity, right?
Yeah.
And there would, at least for mechanical, I would think that there would be ample opportunities, if not in college, then outside college. There would
Yeah.
be. So many people from mechanical who have not taken anything in mechanical have gone into, like, I don't know, like mathematical logistics or something. There have been people like that who have worked their asses off to something somewhere else outside of college also. So it's not like that's just something you would get in college. There are opportunities, you have to find them if you are under that sort of pressure. But under pressure, you know, even though your family is not exerting that pressure, but you are under pressure because of the environment that the college has built around you,
Yeah.
where you think placed and you are not placed. Because of that, you have stress. Then that's something which I don't have a proper solution of. Something that can only be experienced while in college, that can only be solved while in college. I cannot tell people like, you will get opportunities, hence you should be stressed about this. It doesn't work that way. You are in an environment which is stressful. You will be taking that stress. Like, it's not like you go for a job and you tell someone who's doing, don't take stress, even if the boss is, putting stress on you, putting a lot of pressure on you. Of course, I'll be taking stress. That will happen, right? But you have to believe there are ample opportunities waiting. And there has to be one point in your life where you have to pull a lot of effort out of you to work hard. If I had done that in Kota, I would be in an IIT, but I didn't. Right? If I had not worked hard, well, if I had worked hard during college, I would have been maybe studying abroad. I didn't, right? If I into my merchant navy training, I worked hard because I wanted to, so I was at the top of my class. That's all. I did not work hard actually. I did not work that hard. Like, I paid attention. That's all I did. But
Stop
still,
kidding.
like, that's like, no.
I
But
remember.
that's still,
Wait, I distinctly remember picking you up from the airport, and you were literally crying for those 2 marks that you lost in an exam or something. Remember?
half mark actually.
Oh,
I got
half
half
mark.
mark in the first exam. Yeah.
Wow.
0.5. I was crying
Okay.
about it because like, I was, and then for
I was
that
this close. Yeah.
one exam, I just dropped like this. And this one guy who was just consistently rising up, he just above me by 0.5. So anyway, like, there has to be a point in your life where you realize that you have to work hard,
Yeah.
because nothing, unless you're an heir to a majestic empire, you have to, if you have to gain something, you have to work hard for it. You have, right? And that does not mean that if I work hard right now in college to get something I want, or to, make particular or make full use of an opportunity which is, then I won't have to work hard later. It doesn't mean that. What I'm saying is, currently, if you want something, you have to work for it. Otherwise, you won't. But if you don't get it, then later on also you will have opportunities. You will have to work hard. If you don't, then later on also you will get opportunities and you will have to work hard. But then it's about ticking clocks, and ticking clocks are different, or doomsday clocks. Well, it's not necessarily doomsday, but then there are ticking clocks. Like, depends on your situation. What's your ticking clock like?
Yeah.
When does timer go off? For me, the timer would go off very late into my life. And even then, I worked hard right now, so I'm fine. I feel fine. Like, even late, I have some problems. I could digress and do something else. And if your ticking clock is going to go off soon, if your timer is going to go off soon, then it's a pressure on you. You should work hard then. You have to take, you have to make use of the opportunity given to you. And there will be, right? And then that this really funny guy in my class in Merchant Navy, he was like, he said things like, if you're going to give an exam and you think, or if you're going to sit for a company and you think, oh, this company owns 5 people, and this is really cliche, okay, I know this is really cliche, but the only way he said it was "Rak do, rak do." Yeah. And way, he is someone who doesn't take a lot of extra stress, even less than me. So he was like, he said this, he was like, when I heard people telling me that it's intense that only 5 people make it to the end, I was like, I don't care if they take 5 or 20. I need one for
Yeah.
myself. If
Yeah.
I work for that one, I don't care. I don't have to care for 5 or 20. Just work for yourself. That's all. And you'll make it. You'll make it.
That's
It's not, college is not
that's
the
the
end of the
best
road.
thing I've
College is
heard
definitely
today.
not the end of the road. Well, yeah. And well,
On
it's
that
not,
note,
you know,
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.